So when I decided to join the Seas,
I knew nothing about wildland firefighting.
I wanted to be a wildland firefighter.
And they worked these long, crazy hours and they just loved their job. And now here I am, one of them, about 7 weeks later. Running around with our crew, we get to run all over Yosemite.
I've gained more knowledge on how it is to work on a fire crew.
Fire training, preparing, constantly working out, building burn piles all over the place.
We've also learned a lot about helicopters and what they use them for and how they scope around checking for any fires.
40-hour course that we took, it gave us our red card so that we can respond to fires.
Back at my center, I wasn't able to turn on a chainsaw, but now being here, I'm able to be on the chainsaw for more than 30 minutes, maybe an hour.
We were getting a lot of trainings out of it, including the S212 training, which is a chainsaw certification that you need to run chainsaw. And I've really been wanting that certification.
I learned a lot about the Mariposa Grove, the sequoias. We were able to walk through there one day, take in what's around, the history, how long they've been there, why they're being preserved.
They have been very nice here at Yosemite to take us through the application process on how we should apply.
So that was really interesting.
How could you pass up the opportunity to live in Yosemite?
Not a lot of people get to say that they've worked in Yosemite on a fire crew. I feel pretty lucky.
It's really amazing to be here.
The crew is honestly pretty amazing. We work well with each other.
We're very close. And so that's been really nice, is I've never had a crew this close.
It's been one of my favorite times here. I plan for applying to the feds, by the end of this year.
I definitely see myself doing this as a career for the next 20, 30, 40 years.